Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and in today's episode we are going to be making this really cute Easter banner. It is super fun, really simple to put together. We cut everything out using our Cricut Explorer Air 2, so let me show you how it was made. The scrapbook paper I bought to make our Easter banner is super cute. It's just a package of double-sided paper that I bought off of Amazon. It's by Scrapbook Customs, and there were 12 sheets, so 2 of each design, but they're double-sided. So they're really, I absolutely love the pattern side, and that is what we are going to be using for our banner. And then I also just used two pieces of pink 12 by 12 cardstock that I already had on hand. So we are going to cut everything that we need out with our Cricut Explorer Air 2. I'm going to be using the light grip mat for my Cricut Explorer Air 2. You could also use the standard grip if you want. This is just a brand new mat and it's super sticky. So I like to use my brand new light grips a couple times for regular before I start moving to that really light material. I've got the design up in my Cricut design space and I've already clicked ready to cut. So it was giving me a matte preview of my cuts. So now I'm going to select the material. So I'm going to come in here and type in card stock and click on the cardstock I'm using. Now it says to start out not to put in the scoring stylus in quite yet. We're just going to leave the regular blade in there. And everything is blinking, so we are ready to get started. The first thing it's going to cut is my solid pieces for that background banner, so let's get those going. Now that I'm moving on to cut and score those Easter eggs, it is saying that I need that stylus, that scoring stylus in clamp A. So I'm going to go ahead and open clamp A, put in that stylus, close it up, and then we're ready to go on with our eggs. This was our last pattern sheet that we were cutting out. So we can eject that and we can put our Cricut Explorer Air 2 away. But before we do, we have to remove that stylus so that the lid will close. All of our pieces for our banner have now been cut out. So the next thing that we need to do is to fold our eggs along the score line. So, and you can do it with a bone folder if you'd like, or you can just press down with your finger. It doesn't really have to be that super crisp edge, but however you prefer doing it is just fine. So we're gonna fold all of our eggs along that center score line. To assemble our eggs, all we need is a little two-way glue or snail, and we're going to keep one of those eggs folded in half. I'm going to apply some of that two-way glue tape, whatever you want to call it, onto that side, and then we're going to line up. We're going to keep the other piece folded, and we're going to line up the other piece and stack it, and then we're just going to repeat that until we have all of the eggs layered together. Now I did 5 eggs for each banner piece, for each finished egg, but you could really do however many you want. The more pieces you do, the more full your shape will be. And our last one. And then you'll see that just pops right open, and that is a full egg. It's really quite fun. And you could do this technique with any shape. So we're going to repeat that for all of our eggs. There are all of our little egg shapes. And now we are going to glue them onto our pennant banner pieces pretty much the same exact way. We're going to turn them over, and this time keep it so both sides of the egg are flat. And we're going to add some more of that double-sided tape. We're going to open it up, and I like to kind of center the center of the egg with the center of the pennant. And then I eyeball the top and bottom and put that into place. Isn't that so cute? And these are so easy to make. It'd be really simple to duplicate this banner for Christmas, St. Patrick's Day with a cute little shamrock, Valentine's Day with hearts. I mean, there really are so many different cute ways that you could redo this banner. Now in Cricut Design Space, where you access this file, I have it set up with just one pennant and one egg that has 5 pieces. So then you just tell Cricut Design Space how many pennants you want your banner to have. In my case, it was 5, and it will figure everything out for you. But just in case I didn't say, that you can use my exact file. You don't even have to create your own. It is in Cricut Design Space, and I'll give the link to the canvas in the description of this video or my blog post. However you're watching this, YouTube or my blog post. All right, now we have our pennants. See how quickly those came together? Now we're going to grab some ribbon. This is just some yellow ribbon. I'm going to cut off a pretty good length of it. Not measuring, because I don't like to measure. And then we are going to string these on. I'm going to cut this at a little bit of a slant to make threading these on easier. Go in and out, stringing all of our pennants. Oh, going the wrong way. We need to go in and then out. In, keep wanting to go the wrong way, in, and then out. In, and then out. And our last one. Oh, in, see I did it again. In, and then out. And there is our pennant banner. Isn't that so cute? And it really did come together super quick. Thank you so much for joining me today. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.